Have you ever dropped your head in your hands and wondered how the freedom that you sought in freelancing can feel so restrictive? So often the clients that I work with find that they go into it with a mindset of if you build it, they will come. But that doesn't happen. It doesn't matter how great their product or service is, how incredible their level of skill is. Finding prospects is incredibly difficult. Landing them as clients is even more so. Many freelancers go into the process of freelancing with a desire to control their time. With freelancing, you get that right away. You automatically get access to book your schedule however you want it to be filled. The problem comes if you're not working, if you're not landing clients. That freedom quickly feels very restrictive because if you don't land clients, you don't have money. And if you don't have money, you don't have freedom. The freelancers I work with have helped me understand the emotional highs and lows that come along with freelancing. After earning hundreds of thousands of dollars as a professional salesman, the thing that I have found motivates me more than anything is helping people and their companies reach their fullest potential. That has a direct impact not only on themselves, not only on their business, but on their families and on their futures. Here's the thing, even some of the most important inventions in US history, including the light bulb, railroads, sewing machine, they weren't immediately accepted by the public. They had to be sold the importance of these, which then allowed them to become as ingrained in our society as they are today. That's not because they didn't have value from the get-go. That's because people weren't aware of the value. Through my coaching, freelancers have quadrupled the size of their contracts, have completely changed the way that they communicate with clients, and increased their monthly revenue by thousands of dollars. A company's ability to grow is directly tied to its ability to sell. And just like leadership and communication, selling is a soft skill that can be developed and oftentimes leads to immediate results. If you could increase your revenue by 10% or even 20%, how would that impact your company? How would that impact your life? Would you be less stressed? Would you have that freedom that you've always wanted? That is my passion and my goal in life, is to help you as a freelancer reach your full potential. If you're longing for more, the only way to get from where you are to where you want to go is by taking action. And I believe you are just barely scratching the surface of what you're capable of. To ensure that each person receives the maximum amount of value, especially during the hands-on exercises, we have limited the number of seats available. So I encourage you to sign up today by clicking the registration button below.